The Amazon algorithm is changing. Here is the latest KDP algorithm. What's up guys, Sean here. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sean and I built a multiple six-figure KDP business which I eventually sold for $820,000, and I am building my second new KDP account right now. So in this channel, I try to do things a little differently than other publishing channels. I try to be as transparent as possible with my own results, and I share with you exactly how much I'm making, exactly what kind of strategies that I'm taking. And I have a whole playlist called KDP Income Reports where I have all my previous income reports that I share here for full transparency. So if you want no BS publishing advice from someone who's still actively publishing, then make sure to subscribe. All right, so in this video, I want to talk about this Amazon algorithm change that I'm noticing for KDP. So just a disclaimer is that Amazon will never tell you what the algorithm is and how it works. So this is just based on observation for me analyzing Amazon and KDP. Been in the space for over 6 years. Been analyzing thousands of books and how it performs, published a lot of books myself, as well as talking to other top publishers. And this is what we all noticed regarding the algorithm and how our books are ranking nowadays. So real quick, is KDP dead? It's not. So let's get right into the video. So this is how the old algorithm worked. It was pretty straightforward, right? If you had the keyword in the title, that gave you a high chance of ranking for that keyword. And if you don't have the keyword in the title, then it gave you a low chance of ranking for that particular keyword. So what I mean by that is if you had the keyword ketogenic diet in the title, then you'll probably rank for ketogenic diet keyword. If you don't have a ketogenic diet, even if your book is about ketogenic diet, you will probably not really rank for that keyword. However, this seems to have changed recently. So real quick, this is typically how we used to rank, is have the keyword in the title. So when people search for self-discipline, if our title is self-discipline, the Amazon algorithm though, it seems like they're getting smarter. So the new algorithm is that you still want the keyword in the title because that is the easiest way to tell Amazon what your book is about. But it seems like it's not as important as a couple years ago. So even if you don't have the exact keyword in the title, Amazon can detect what the book is about based on your content, based on what people are saying in the reviews, based on the customer search patterns as well as purchase patterns. And they will rank your book based on all the data in relevant keywords. So what's interesting is Amazon's getting smart enough to the point where they know what your book is about, even if you don't have the actual keyword in the title or the subtitle. So an example of this is this book, once again, is about self-discipline, but it doesn't have self-discipline in the title. It just have discipline, kind of similar, but it's not the exact same thing. It's a variation of it. So you don't really need the exact keyword in the title anymore, it seems like, because Amazon is smart enough to know what your book is about and it'll rank you in the appropriate keywords. So how does this affect you, right? How does this change affect you? Well, you want to focus less on just optimizing title based on keyword and more focused on having an attractive title with better copy. Because even if you don't have the exact keyword, we know that Amazon is smart enough to rank you for it. So now the focus really should be to increase your conversion rates as much as possible. So instead of keyword stuffing and having this generic boring title that is just for SEO purpose, now you can use copywriting and make your title more attractive and more appealing to the buyer, which will increase your sales, right? And Amazon is smart enough to rank on whatever keyword that you should be ranking for, so it will work out very well. So you still definitely want the keyword in the title, don't get me wrong. You should still add the keyword in the title, but a balance of SEO and copywriting is the key, okay? So switching to performance-based ranking rather than simple SEO-based is what we observed. So Amazon is basically switching from SEO-based ranking, meaning if you have the keyword in the title, that's SEO, right? So instead of simply saying, having this keyword in the title means you will rank for this keyword, now Amazon is really going for the performance-based ranking. So even if you have the keyword in this title, if your book is not performing well and if your book is not gathering the sales and reviews, then you will not rank for that keyword. But even if you don't have the exact keyword in the title, if your book is performing well with sales and reviews, then Amazon will rank your book in those keywords. So this is pretty similar to YouTube. I don't know if you guys noticed this, But YouTube algorithm changed as well from a couple years ago. Because a couple years back, it was all about SEO and having the keyword in the title. If I wanted to rank my videos under Amazon KDP keyword, then I would have to put Amazon KDP in the title. But now it's more of clickbait titles that doesn't have any keywords inside that's working, because it's all about that performance-based algorithm, right? So it's more about the watch time, how much engagements you get, how much likes you get, comments you get, and how much of that video people watch through. So that is more important. And once you send a good signal to YouTube, YouTube will rank your book in Amazon KDP and whatever publishing related keywords, because they know that the video is about publishing, even though there is no keyword in the title. So it seems like Amazon's algorithm is moving towards something similar. So let's talk about how the algorithm works in general. Okay, so when you publish a book, Amazon will rank you in a certain set of keywords based on your metadata. So when you first publish a book, Amazon don't really know what your book is about. That is why you have to tell it what your book is about. So that's why you want to put keywords in the title, subtitle, description, the 7 keywords section. From there, Amazon will look at that and be like, okay, this book is about this topic, right? Because these keywords are included. So that is how you start. But based on customer purchase patterns, what kind of customers are buying your books, Amazon will then increase or decrease the amount of keywords you're ranked in. So you're going to start off with a certain set of keywords, but based on your book performance and your customer patterns, Amazon will either rank your book in a wider set of keywords or decrease it if your book is not performing well. So less people see it, right? So this is why consistently marketing your book is important, so Amazon can learn what your book is about and rank it in more relevant keyword and keep expanding this list of keyword. So that is why you want to market your book continuously. So setting it up, meaning publishing it and forgetting about the book, does not really work. And a lot of people still do this, especially in low content, but I do not recommend this. Do not just publish and forget about it. You want to publish and continuously market the book. So this is how it looks if I would illustrate the point. When you publish a book, Amazon will pull a set amount of keywords and rank you for it based on the metadata that you have. From there, if your book performs well, right, Amazon will test new keywords for you by ranking your books in an expanded list of keywords. And if your book converts well on those keywords, then Amazon will add more keywords to the test and rank you in bigger set of keywords, and on and on and on. And that is how, once a book starts picking up momentum, it just keeps going and going and going. If it's a good book, right, it just sticks because Amazon keeps expanding this list of keywords that you're ranking for, to the point where eventually you'll find a sweet spot of keywords that Amazon will rank you. So eventually it's going to stop, right? They're going to stop expanding, and maybe they will decrease it a little bit to find a sweet spot. But that is how your book sticks in the search results and the ranking. So the opposite is true, right? If you have low sales and low reviews, they will decrease the list of keywords and your book will receive lower visibility. So overall, this is how the algorithm is working right now, at least based on what I'm observing. And the question is this good or bad? And I do think it's good, because it's less about finding the golden keyword and it's more about making a good book and marketing it. Because now it's not about being the first book in the keyword, it's about being the best book in the keyword. The best book gets rewarded with more sales. So I do like that change. So that is why it is a better opportunity for those who produce good books, and bad news for those who just spam low quality books. So now that you know this information, what should you do? So focus on making a good book in a good keyword, and having some competition is fine, because there is no way you can find a keyword with zero competition. That's a unicorn keyword, close to impossible. There's always going to be some kind of competition, okay? So that's fine. Just find a good keyword with moderate competition, make a good book on it, and consistently market it. And over time, Amazon will keep expanding your reach wider and wider. So that is what I observed with the Amazon algorithm. I want to ask you, do you notice this change? Do you notice this happening? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, I want to invite you to my 100% free Facebook group mastermind, where you can join, network with other publishers, ask any questions you want, as well as just by joining, you get 2 free bonuses. One is a case study on how to generate lasting income on Amazon KDP through this strategy called book stacking, which is a strategy that I coined and I created myself. And bonus number 2 is the ability to attend a weekly Facebook Live and ask me any questions directly. Every single week I go live in my Facebook group and you can come join and ask me questions. So if you want to join the Facebook group, the link is below this video. As well as if you want to learn about my complete publishing program, then the link is below this video to book a free strategy session with my team. And you can see if this program is a fit for you. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Let me know in the comments if you notice this change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.